How to use Airbnb early check-in feature. To use the Airbnb's early check-in feature, you must message the host directly to request it. So to message the host right before booking, what you can do is launch the Airbnb application on your device, find yourself that exact listing. From there, scroll down to the bottom until you find the message host option. Go ahead and tap on this. From here, you will find this message box over here or message host option. Once you tap on this, you simply have to select your date over here as well as the number of guests and add few amenities if you have. Now, once you tap on this box, you can simply write a courteous message and send it to the host itself. And also make sure to give them your exact expected arrival time at the property rather than a vague early afternoon. And if you have booked it already, you can go to your trips tab and select the reservation option and then tap the contact host to send your request. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.